Welcome back, viewers. Our top focus at the moment is the TMC rebels who are set to submit a formal letter to Lok Sabha Speaker. That is the source-based information which we were getting earlier. It's a Times Now mega exclusive. They could give this letter to Om Birla as early as Monday. Highly placed sources are confirming that a dissident group of up to 18 Lok Sabha MPs who could be led by Kakoli Ghosh is preparing to formally inform the Speaker, Om Birla, that they're no longer accepting Abhishek Banerjee as their parliamentary leader. And according to sources, efforts are also on to build the support. They're actively underway. Now, what has happened is that more than 10 signatures reportedly backing Dastidar's candidacy have already been secured by Friday night. So this is obviously another headache for Mamata Banerjee, isn't it, Sabyasachi? TMC rebels now, obviously, when it comes to the MPs, already preparing a formal letter to write to Om Birla. What is it that they are seeking, and what does it mean for Mamata Banerjee's TMC, honestly, whatever is left of it?
Well, more trouble for former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. What the three Trinamool Congress sources tell Times Now is that Ritubroto Banerjee and the other legislators right now want that the leadership role of Abhishek Banerjee in Lok Sabha should also be changed, and they would not accept Abhishek Banerjee as the leader of the Trinamool Congress party in Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, the Trinamool Congress has around 28 MPs, and the rebel legislators want, and their first choice is Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar, since Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar has been very much vocal and critical about the Trinamool Congress, and she have been talking about the alleged corruption that has been taking place inside the Trinamool Congress. So that is the reason why the legislators right now want that Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar should be the leader of the party as far as Trinamool Congress is concerned in Lok Sabha. Now, highly placed sources within the Trinamool Congress tell us that till Friday, more than a dozen signatures have been collected, and by Sunday, what the information that we are picking, that Sunday there's going to be a hurdle of the Member of Parliament. So what the sources tell us is that around 20 MPs could be part of this hurdle.
So the 20 MPs are planning to hold this big hurdle, and there could be another bigger trouble for Mamata Banerjee. Thank you, Sabya, for joining us with all these details. Viewers, the bigger question is not whether these MPs will be breaking away rather and drifting towards the BJP. BJP publicly maintains that its doors are closed to these TMC leaders. The bigger question is what happens to Mamata Banerjee and her TMC next.
नहीं, हम तो दरवाजा बहुत टाइट करके बंद किए हैं। हम जानते हैं कि ये होने वाला था, कोई गलती से ना घुस जाए फिर से, हम भुगत चुके हैं, इसलिए दरवाजा अभी भी बंद है। देखा जाए आगे क्या होता है।
अभी हमारा टीएमसी के लिए दरवाजा बंद है। जो राष्ट्रपति महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को एक कार्यक्रम करने के लिए मैदान तक नहीं दिया, उन लोग हम लोग पार्टी में शामिल करते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी का तृणमूलाइजेशन नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो।
All right, we heard the reactions when it comes to the BJP. Now we are shifting